Okay, so a little while ago I posted a blog post on how to get numbers, pages, and Keynote working on MacBook Pros, iMacs, running all the versions of macOS. So MacOSX, Catalina, High Sierra, Sierra, etc. And I then discovered that there's another way to do it, which is what I'm going to tell you now, and that is on the computer in question, on the computer that you're trying to get it to work on, create a new account. Okay, note that this requires you to have a friend who's got a up-to-date account or has previously downloaded the apps, and it is as a result showing in their purchased tab under App Store. And okay, so you create an account for that person, they log into that account, they log into their app store on that account, which will probably require them using another one of their devices, an iPhone, to accept the login. Go to the app store, download Pages, download Keynote, download Numbers, and once it's done downloading, open all three of those applications, check that they work, log out of that account, log into the other user account, open the apps, they should be now working, and then you can delete the other user profile that you created. Cool, all the best.